Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys me removing all my Christmas decorations. One, because I never put that video up, and two, because it's past time that they came down. And it is going to be a really short and simple little video, but I hope you guys enjoy it nonetheless. So without further ado, let's get started. This is like the literal tiniest Christmas tree and all that we want in our house. Don't worry, I'm not throwing them out. This is where I keep them. I have no clue where this cloth came from. Weird. Okay, I'll be looking back in the footage because I didn't put it here. At least not knowingly. Investigation time. I went back. This is the footage of when it appeared there, but I can't even tell if it was me because I'm not in the frame. I even slowed it down. I don't know. It must have been me or a ghost. Either way, at least it was a helpful ghost, but I think it was me. Okay guys, that pretty much wraps up this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe for new videos every Monday and Thursday, hit the notification bell so you know every time I upload, and comment below for what you guys want to see next time. And until next time guys, bye!